Disagreement on the meaning of the term intelligence. During the last 50 years, much research have been done on the nature of intelligence and it is measurable. Vast literature is available on this topic in psychological literature. Intelligence has been treated as a construct. No one knows what intelligence is all about. In recent years, the concept of intelligence has become least acceptable and more exposed to the criticism by psychologists. Never ever several definitions have been advanced by the psychological term but no two psychologists agreed on the single definition of the term. There is one preconception in the mind of people regarding the meaning of the term which creates difficulty in understanding the concept of intelligence. The preconception is the people that think about the intelligence is a noun which refers to things or concentrate objects which can be directly perceived but actually it is an abstract from the behavior of the intelligence. It is therefore better to use the adjective intelligent instead of intelligence. Definition. Intelligence that says the capacity to acquire and apply knowledge. A number of definitions has been improved by the psychologists systemized by Veron and Freeman. Let us examine the classification of the definition of the term intelligence used by these psychologists. Veron classified all these definitions under three broad of categories such as biological, psychological, and operational. Freeman thought classifying all these definitions of intelligence into the three categories, but this approach different from Veron. Veron's biological approach category on the definition of emphasis that adaptive nature of human being. Man is one of the kind of organism among a million of to adapt till doubt. We must also interpret intelligence adaptation of the environment. Any other view of intelligence is superficial and far-reaching. The general views of the intelligence and the psychology is about the definition, capacity of an individual. And second category of definition is all about Veron knowing. Ma?
हाँ
Ma, मोमबत्ती दाओ तो পাওয়ার কাট হয়ে গেছে
हाँ দিচ্ছি এনে ধর আরেকটা কি দেবো
দিলে ভালো হয়
এনে ধর
হ্যালো হ্যাঁ বল না রে কাল আসতে পারবো না রে একদম টাইম হবে না না কালকে ওই স্যার পড়াতে আসবে তো তাই বলে আসতে পারবো না রে ও আচ্ছা মনে পড়লো তুই আমার থেকে না আগের দিনের নোটসটা নিয়ে নিস না হলে আমি ভুলে যাবো ইউ নো দ্য মাই হ্যাবিট যা Oh, really? That's a great news. Okay. চল রাখছি এখন পড়া আছে চল বাই বাই বাই
এনে ধর না দিলে তো খাবি না।
Adjustment or adaptation ability, the definition category lowers the emphasis on the adaptive environment. The individual thought that intelligence is a proportion to this ability of adjust a new situation and the problems of life. The adjust in the effective way can variable its behavior according to the situation. A person who is less intelligent is rigid and has less responsibility to make a process of social interaction. The definition given by Stern comes under this category. He defines intelligence as general capacity of an individual consciously to adjust this thinking to the new environment. Ability to learn, the definition of this category.
তুই পড় না,
হ্যাঁ
দেখ তো কি পড়লো। কিরে কিছু দেখতে পেলি?
না कोई কিছু দেখলাম না তো।
যাকে চল।
The definition of this category lay emphasis on the adjustment ability of an individual to this environment. The individual thought intelligence is a proportion to his ability and